So you probably all know the experience where you go to the doctor's office and they kind of give you a treatment, and it's kind of like, take this and come back if you don't think it's working, or let us know how it's going. I think that we can do better than that, and that's what Olaris is all about. It's trying to remove the guesswork from medicine and use data and metabolite biomarkers to help better inform decision making. So there's this whole milieu of molecules that are moving around inside of us, and we use AI to try to find patterns of those molecules that then can correlate with a specific disease outcome. So, for example, we have a urine diagnostic that looks at the small molecules that we excrete in our urine, and based off the pattern of them, we can tell a kidney transplant patient if they're okay, if they're experiencing a potentially life-threatening and graft-threatening infection, or if they're at risk for rejection. And all of those things would then dictate different clinical care that they should pursue. I think that the way that we practice medicine has just a lot of ways for improvement, right? I think we can develop tools to better diagnose disease, to catch it at its earliest onset, especially in areas of neurodegeneration, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, all of these diseases. By the time that they clinically manifest themselves in these symptoms, there's not a lot of room for a therapy to work. And I believe that we can use metabolite biomarkers to catch these things earlier, and then both on the therapeutic, but even just preventative lifestyle changes stop them. Olaris is coming up on 9 years old, and for the first 4.5 years, or 4 years, I was the only employee. So we were that true scrappy startup where I did everything from business to science to running around. I'd say a big key milestone came with the InnoSpark Series A investment. Ben Cad and the team, I think, saw all the work that I had done, and some of our consultants, and saw the vision, and then they gave us the capital to actually go from just this bootstrapped thing to now a company of almost 15. We have our own headquarters, we have NMR, mass spec, and things like that. So I'd say that has certainly been a key milestone, and it let us form partnerships with some of the world's best diagnostic company, the world's biggest biopharma companies, and things like that. Working with InnoSpark, I would say, has been transformative. Not only do they continue to support me, but they continue to challenge me and push me, and help me grow into the CEO that I want to be, and have our company continue to sort of develop.